GATE 2016 Civil Engineering Set 2 Question 15. Water table of an aquifer drops by 100 cm over an area of 1000 km square. The porosity and specific retention of the aquifer material are 25% and 5% respectively. The amount of water expressed in kilometers cube drained out from the area is. The relevant NPTEL reference has been cited. When we talk about an aquifer, assuming an area of A and the change in depth of water as delta D. So the total change of volume that is expected is A into delta D. But this does not happen because the soil of the aquifer does not yield water at the full volume. There is a small factor associated. That factor is called the specific yield. This is the portion of water that can be drained out, and there will be a certain portion of the water that is retained. So SY is called the specific yield and SR is called the specific retention. Together they equal the porosity of the soil, that is the voids in the soil volume. The water that can be drained out from an aquifer of area A using a change of depth of delta D is given by A into delta D into the specific yield factor. Using this equation, any one of these variables can be calculated. In this case, we have been given the area of the aquifer as 1000 km square. The change of depth has been given as 100 centimeters. And the specific retention is given as 0.05 and the porosity has been given as 0.25. So the water that can be drained out will be given by A into delta H into SY. So here A is 1000 km square. It is also to be noted that the answer is demanded in kilometers cube. So we should convert all the parameters into kilometer units. So area is in kilometer square, delta H is 100 centimeter. So we will convert it first to meters and then we would convert it to kilometers. SY is a pure number, so SY would be porosity minus the specific retention, that would turn out to be 0.2. Substituting the value here, we would get the final answer as 0.2 kilometer cube, that is the volume of water that can be drained out from an aquifer. So the amount of water drained out from the aquifer area is 0.2 kilometer cube. The relevant NPTEL reference has been cited.